ka Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ka Knieh badwan shakhamat haka science stream jong ka result HSSLC arja arpoar badang shupen bana da ka embos haka arfan reutrik ujamang ki argut ki samla pule jong ka Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ki balon shakhamat haka thup top 10 ki kan thup ya Ugyanish Roy Bhomik haka kadan ka banengkong da ka balayo south pa an ripu kandai marks but urishi sarkar haka kadan ka war walayo south pa an ripu marks kini ki samla ki lapan paw ye ke jinkmen but ai khuble ye ki kme ki pa kinong hikai ki badai ka bentang ba kongsan ha ka jing puli jongki bad ye thu ru banani shakhamat kinang treshitom ha ka jing puli badangsa.
We are very much happy. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who got his result today. And second, I am very much thankful to my Almighty for keeping both of us safe and healthy throughout this period of our preparation. I cannot forget my parents. Obviously, they are the most important part. Without them, I wouldn't have been there. And of course, my teachers. Whatever we have done today, this is the outcome of our teachers' hard work. I'm very much blessed to be in this institution because I was never said no here. I could approach my teacher at any moment of the day. They never said me no. They helped me in every possible way. And not just me as well, he as well. So just feeling very much blessed, happy. See, securing a position is difficult and it's also a matter of luck. We were very much lucky that we did it first time only. And yes, hard work is important, but more than hard work, I'll say proper strategy is important. You have to plan everything very much.
First of all, you have to study. That's the main thing. Right? Without studying, you cannot expect a position. You have to plan your studying. You cannot just sit down and study for 10 hours. You have to plan it actually, subject wise. Everything you have to plan.
How much time you must give to a
Obviously, you have to give hard work. Without hard work, you cannot do it. In the process, you will come across failures also. That's the part of it. It's the beauty of it.
And I'm very much thankful to my parents because there were times when I don't feel like studying. I was very much not depressed, also a bit sad because maybe I could not complete my course or maybe my test went not good. So they were the ones who kept pushing me. Like if I say in Bengali, my mother always said that, Baba, I took koshto korene, ar ko ekta din. So it just means that just put some more hard work, you'll do it. And yeah, it happened. See, we are doing well so far, so hope to see us in a good position, maybe where we can actually create a change in the society, contribute to the society through our work. That is my vision. Like, whatever I do, it must add some value to the society, to the people. That's what I want. Yeah, yeah.
Obviously, this is good.
Yeah, obviously,
Education is-
money is important, but more than that, I feel that if I can make a change to the society, I can add some value to the society. That would be much more valuable for me. Because at least when I'm not here, they will remember me.
What kind of work would you like to do?
Many ways where we can serve the society. Maybe by selling a product which is important for the masses, for the millions. Like that's how, or maybe doing some social service. But first of all, the aim is to reach a position where everyone recognizes you, where I am considered to be important. Doing science, okay. So I plan to become a scientist. Let's see when my destiny is ready.
My plan actually, I thought of doing BTech. I wanted to do engineering from previous. So that's why I took science.